Good day, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax in Stuart. We're here looking at this brand new 175 Sportfish by Scout. I'll tell you, these boats are awesome. This particular boat is equipped with a trailer, and this trailer does have a swing tongue, so it will fit in most Florida garages very easily. Boat is set up with a forward bow cushion, has a trolling motor plug if you want to add one. Nice cooler setup with a cushion on it, very comfortable on the front of the console. This boat's also equipped with a folding flip-flop seat. It's stainless steel frame and does have a cooler underneath it as well. So you can put this backrest back and forth based on which direction you're sitting in. And it also works well as a backrest when you're standing. It acts like a bolster. Boat is equipped with a Fusion stereo, has great sound. Yamaha gauges. Boat does have a dual battery switch. Nice Bimini top on it. So for those days you're hanging out at the sandbar with the family and having fun or fishing, you definitely stay out of the heat. Boat's powered by a 90 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. Phenomenal fuel economy, phenomenal running motor. I'll tell you, you got to get out and ride on this boat. Please feel free to give me a call for more information or to make an appointment to get out on it. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.